In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop email summaries in Splitwise. If you're getting monthly summary emails and you'd rather keep your inbox a little cleaner, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can turn them off quickly and confidently. First, open Splitwise in your web browser and log into your account if you aren't already. Once you're on the main Splitwise dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile icon, which might be your initials or a small picture, depending on how your account is set up. Click on that profile icon. This is where Splitwise keeps all of your personal and account-related options. When you click the profile icon, a small menu will appear. From this menu, choose the option labeled Your Account. Go ahead and click on Your Account to open your account settings page. This page is where you manage things like your personal information, password, and importantly for this video, your email and notification preferences. On the account settings page, look for the section related to email notifications or summaries. Within this section, you should find an option that mentions monthly summary of my activity. This setting controls whether Splitwise sends you a monthly email summarizing your expenses, balances, and activity. Next to monthly summary of my activity, you'll see a small email icon that indicates whether the summary emails are currently turned on. Click on that email icon to change this setting. When you click it, the icon should change appearance to show that the monthly summary emails are now disabled. If at any point you change your mind, you can always come back to this same spot and click the icon again to re-enable the summaries. After adjusting this setting, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button on the page, usually near the bottom or top right corner of the settings section. Click on Save to confirm and apply your new preferences. This step is important. If you navigate away without saving, Splitwise may revert back to the old settings and continue sending you those summary emails. Once the page refreshes or confirms your changes, you're done. Your Splitwise account will no longer send monthly activity summary emails, helping keep your inbox a bit more organized.